Hello everyone, searching for the top 5 best self-locking tape measure for accurate and hassle-free measuring? Welcome back to Budget Buying, where we help you choose smart and reliable tools for every project. Let's check out the top self-locking tape measures built for precision and durability. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Zhengqi Weldem Self. The Zhengqi Weldem Self Laoxing tape measure is designed to deliver accurate, stable, and convenient measuring performance for both professional and everyday use. Built with precision in mind, it features a high-accuracy matte tape that reduces measurement errors while ensuring clear, easy-to-read markings. The dual-sided scale makes it practical for different working angles and a wide range of measuring scenarios. One of its key highlights is the point-breaking automatic self-locking system. When the tape is pulled out, it locks automatically in place, allowing users to take measurements without slipping or retracting. With a simple press of the button, the tape smoothly retracts, offering controlled and safe operation. Durability is another strong aspect of this tool. The outer shell is made from a thickened rubber-coated material that enhances resistance against drops, impacts, and rough handling. This makes the tape measure suitable for construction sites, workshops, and outdoor use, where tools are often exposed to tough conditions. For improved usability, the tape includes fluorescent-coated markings that remain visible even in low-light environments. The surface is also abrasion-resistant and designed to minimize reflection, helping users read measurements clearly in different lighting conditions. Accuracy is further enhanced by the zero-point correction tape hook, which compensates for internal hook movement to ensure precise starting measurements. Additionally, the tape body is widened and reinforced for better straight-line stability, allowing it to extend horizontally up to 3 meters without bending or collapsing. Overall, the Zhengqi self-locking tape measure combines precision engineering, rugged durability, and user-friendly features to provide a reliable measuring solution for construction, carpentry, home improvement, and general measurement tasks. Coming in at number 4, the Baolian self-locking tape measure. The Baolian self-locking tape measure is a reliable and durable measuring tool designed for both professional and everyday use. Built with a widened and thickened fluorescent steel tape, it ensures clear readability even in low-light environments, making measurements easier and more efficient in a variety of working conditions. Engineered for long-lasting performance, this tape measure is waterproof, wear-resistant, and drop-resistant, providing dependable durability on job sites and in demanding environments. Its sturdy construction helps maintain accuracy and functionality over time, even with frequent use. The outer casing is made from high-quality ABS shell material, offering a strong protective structure while maintaining a comfortable grip. This design not only enhances handling but also shields the internal mechanism from impact damage, increasing the overall lifespan of the tool. With an extended 10-meter measurement range, the Baolian self-locking tape measure is well suited for large-scale projects, construction work, interior design, and woodworking tasks. It provides ample reach for measuring longer distances without compromising ease of use. A key feature of this tool is its self-locking steel tape mechanism, which holds the blade securely in place during measurement for improved control and convenience. In addition, the laser-etched high-precision markings ensure accurate readings, making it especially suitable for professional woodworking and precision-based tasks. Combining strength, accuracy, and user-friendly design, the Baolian self-locking tape measure delivers consistent performance for users who require dependable and precise measurement in a wide range of applications. At number 3, we have the Mijia self-locking tape measure. The Mijia self-locking tape measure is designed to deliver precision, durability, and ease of use for both construction professionals and everyday measurement tasks. Built with a multi-specification steel tape and an ABS plus TPR 2-color overmolded body, it combines strength with a comfortable grip, making it suitable for demanding work environments. Its ABS shell is engineered for high impact resistance, offering strong drop protection and reducing the risk of damage during daily use. The outer casing is further reinforced with a soft rubber cover, enhancing durability while improving handling stability. Inside, the steel tape benefits from advanced laser spraying technology, ensuring clearly graduated markings that resist wear and remain easy to read even after long-term use. A key highlight of this tape measure is its self-locking mechanism. The tape automatically locks when pulled out, allowing users to take accurate measurements without needing to hold it in place. With a simple push-to-recycle function, the tape retracts smoothly and efficiently, improving workflow speed and convenience on the job site. Accuracy is further enhanced through a zero-point complementary hook design, which compensates for measurement starting points to reduce errors. The tape itself is thickened and reinforced, providing high straightness and stiffness so it does not easily bend or break, allowing one-person operation with confidence. Durability is reinforced through a composite matte baking paint process applied to the scale, making it highly wear-resistant and long-lasting. Multiple specification options ensure suitability for a wide range of measuring needs, from small home projects to professional construction work. For portability, the tape measure includes a corded tail design with a convenient lanyard, allowing it to be easily carried, hung, or stored when not in use. Overall, the Mijia self-locking tape measure combines precision engineering, robust materials, and user-friendly design to deliver a reliable measuring tool for everyday and professional use. Next up at number 2 is the Kerseo self-locking tape measure. The Kerseo self-locking tape measure is a reliable and precision-focused measuring tool designed for both professional and everyday use. Built with a durable steel tape, it ensures long-lasting performance even under frequent use in construction, carpentry, home improvement, and general measurement tasks. One of its standout features is the self-locking mechanism, which automatically holds the tape in place once extended. This allows users to take accurate measurements without the tape slipping back, improving convenience and precision during solo work or complex measuring tasks. The tape itself is crafted with a thickened, wear-resistant design, making it highly durable against bending, abrasion, and daily wear. The black measuring surface is paired with high-visibility fluorescent markings, ensuring clear readability even in low-light environments. This enhances accuracy and reduces eye strain during detailed work. With a 5-meter measuring length, the Kerseo tape measure is suitable for a wide range of applications, from small household projects to larger construction measurements. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to carry in a pocket, tool belt, or toolbox, ensuring it is always within reach when needed. Additionally, the fall-resistant construction adds extra durability, helping it withstand accidental drops on job sites or workshops. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle during extended use. Overall, the Kerseo self-locking tape measure combines durability, precision, and user-friendly features in a compact tool, making it a practical choice for anyone who values accurate and efficient measuring in their daily work or projects. Finally, at number 1, we have the Airaj self-locking tape measure. The Airaj self-locking tape measure is designed as a reliable and precise measuring solution for both professional and everyday use, combining durability, accuracy, and user-friendly functionality in a compact design. Built with a thickened ABS shell, it offers strong resistance against impact, pressure, and accidental drops, making it suitable for demanding work environments. Its reinforced ABS components further enhance structural stability, ensuring long-term durability even with frequent use. The tape features a free-lock self-locking system that allows smooth pull-out operation with instant locking at any position. This enables efficient one-handed measurement, improving speed and convenience during tasks. The recovery mechanism ensures controlled retraction, helping maintain safety and ease of handling. At its core, the matte carbon steel ruler body provides strength and resistance to deformation. The edge passivation treatment reduces sharpness along the blade, helping prevent cuts while improving handling safety. The matte, non-reflective surface enhances readability in different lighting conditions, ensuring clear and accurate measurements at all times. Precision is further improved through O-point correction technology, which eliminates hook thickness errors at the measuring tip. This ensures that internal and external measurements remain consistent and highly accurate, supporting professional-level results. Designed for toughness, the tape measure also emphasizes anti-fall and pressure resistance, making it dependable in construction, workshop, and home improvement applications. Its wear-resistant tape surface maintains clarity over time, even with heavy usage. Overall, the Airaj self-locking tape measure delivers a balance of accuracy, strength, and ease of use, making it a practical tool for anyone who requires dependable measurement performance in daily or professional tasks. Ready to upgrade your toolbox with a reliable measuring companion? Check the price link in the description to grab the best deal today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more top tool reviews and smart buying guides.